Exercise 3.5. Let us consider discuss second equation, first part, in which equations are given 2x plus 3y equal to 7, a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to 3a plus b minus 2. For what value of a and b? These two equations having infinitely many solutions. In case of infinite many solution, a1 over a2 equal to b1 over b2 equal to c1 over c2. So you can see that here a1 is 2 upon a minus b equal to 3 upon a plus b equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Clear? So we have to find out value of a and b. Consider this equation equal to this. Suppose 2 over a minus b is equal to 7 over 3a plus b minus 2. It will become, by cross multiplication, 6a plus 2b minus 4 equal to 7a minus 7b. Clear? If you transpose 7a to this side, it will become 6a minus 7a is minus a. 2b on left hand side minus 7b, if we transpose to left hand side, it will become 2 plus 7, 9b. Minus 4, if you transpose to right hand side, it will become 4. Consider this as equation 1. Now, this second 3 over a plus b you can put equal to 2 over a minus b. So, this implies that 2 into a, 2a plus 2 into b, 2b equal to 3a, 3 into a, 3a, 3 into minus b, 3b. If you transpose b to left hand side, it will become 5b equal to 2a transpose to right hand side, 3a minus 2a equal to a. This is second. So, put value of a equal to 5b, you can put in first. Here, a equal to 5b, you can put here. This will become minus 5b plus 9b equal to 4. This implies that 4b equal to 4 or b equal to 1. And similarly, if you put here b equal to 1, you will get a equal to 5. So these two are the answer, a equal to 5 and b equal to 1. Let us consider now fourth question, fourth part. If two stations are 100 km apart, A and B, if a car starts from A and another car starts from B in the same direction, they will meet in 5 hours. And if they travel in opposite direction, they will meet in 1 hour. Let speed of a car start from A equal to x kilometer per hour. and another car start from B, speed of that is y kilometer per hour. Clear? As you know that speed is equal to distance upon time, and time is distance upon speed. So what is the first case? First case, when both the car in the same direction, distance traveled is 100, speed is, if both the car travel in same direction, their speed is minus. Suppose they will meet in 5 hours. That means if speed of car A is more than that of speed of car B, that starting from B, both will subtract each other, that is equal to time, that is 5 hours. Suppose a car start from our place, Gobindgarh, another car start from Ambala. Both will meet. If speed of this car is more than that car, this car will overtake or will meet. That means they will meet in 5 hours. Suppose this is traveling at 100, this is at 80. So you can see that distance is reducing with the passage of time. If they will travel in opposite direction, that means they will meet in 1 hour. So second case, distance is again 100, now speed is plus. If you see on the platform, if both the trains are coming to each other in the opposite direction, their speed is added. If you travel by car on one side and the same side another car is traveling, if the car of speed of second car is more than that of first car, then that car will cross the first car. So in that speed is minus. If in opposite direction, that is plus. So these two equations will become 5x minus 5y equal to 100, and second equation x plus y equal to 100. If you multiply by 5, this will become 5x plus 5y equal to 500. If you solve these two equations, so you can get the speed of x and y. X is speed of car A, that starting from A, and y will be the speed of car that start from B. Okay, it will become 60 and 40. 5y and minus 5y and plus 5y is cancelled. 5 plus 5 10x. 10x equal to 600. X will be 60. If you put here 60, y will be 40. So speed of car that start from A will be having 60 km per hour, and another car start from B that is having speed of 40 km per hour. Okay.